Here we go. Hobbybox604 back with another group break. This is group break number 1098. Cup versus Ultimate number 5. Last box is from the case. So basically this was a 6-box case. That was a 5-box case. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. The last 10 is in there, right there, for the cup versus, for the group break 1100 7-box high-end mixer right there. That will be going on this Sunday. So technically we're done with that ultimate in this one here. Good luck, guys. No trades was done. Anaheim Ducks, PC Nelly, Arizona, RG Strand, Terry Sawchuck, Boston, all the way down to Andy and the Jets. Let's go. Put your carrier price 1-of-1 in a one-touch. Sure. Let's get it first, Terry. And then I'll put it in a one-touch for you. 6260. Kind of thick here. Oh, 2 patches, hopefully. First one going to the Sharks. Number 189 of 199. Patrick Marleau. Jersey. Got a little white corner down there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's the first hit. First hit. Again, guys, it's recording, so nothing to worry about. Patrick Marleau is the first hit. It's funny. All this time, it was freaking good. As soon as we started this break, it started lagging. So annoying. For the Winnipeg Jets, number 82 of 125. Ultimate Collection rookie and jersey of Nicholas Patan. For the Dallas Stars, autographed debut threads, Radek Faksa, 68 of 99. Sorry, I forgot to say the hit. San Jose was Jamie. Winnipeg is Andy, and Dallas is Terry Sawchuck. Next one going out to the Calgary Flames. Yeah, we got to get this guy all the time. At least it's a 4-color. 4-color rookie patch, number 4 of 25, Emile Poirier for the Calgary Flames. Going out to Jamie. Next up is, oh nice, damn it, the patch is not nice. 10 of 25 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Artemi Panarin patch. Ultimate rookie patch. White corners there. Damn it, man. Like, how is this guy... How do you expect your customers to be happy with that? Unfreaking real. Emile Poirier is just the edges. So all the cards in Ultimate Collection are damaged. You guys know that. Don't need to say it again. Edges all have issues. Same as these cards. So Chicago is slick, and we finished this one 70 of 299 for the Philadelphia Flyers. Mark Alt. Terry Sawchuck. Terry Sawchuck. Going out to Philly, and the Flyers is you, sir. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. All night we had no issues. As soon as we got this, we have issues. So hopefully it won't. It's recording. I will do a recap if you guys want to see a recap. If you want a recap at the end. 913 is the cup. Can someone tell Nick I will do a recap after? Someone can type on the screen that for me, that would be great. Thanks, PC Nelly. Okay, guys, good luck, and good luck. See what we get you here. We start with the first one going out to Boston, number 29 of 249, Cam Neely. Boston is Terry Sawchuk. Okay, we got a redemption there, so I'm going to put this there and then pull the redemption off. Okay, that's our Cup RPA, obviously. We have Cup rookie patch autograph to 249. Oh, this guy again. For the Boston Bruins, David Pasternak. Boston, we got 2 Pasternak's redemptions tonight. Crazy. Going out to Terry Sawchuk and Boston. Nice hit, sir. Nice hit. Next up is, who would have thought this team would hit? Number 50 of 99 for the Minnesota Wild. 3-color patch. Jason Pominville. Nice patch, though. 3 colors. Got a little bit of fuzz there, too. So, not bad. Slicky Ricky and the Minnesota Wild. Next one is, oh, nice hit. Oh, sickness coming up for the Panthers. Holy, look at that. 31 of 50. Limited logos with a beautiful patch. Alexander Barkov. Florida is Jamie Lodge. Nice patch. Nice patch, nice card. Definitely. It's been a great case there, Grocery Steak. Great case. Only week 1 was the last one. But everything else has been great. Going out to the Carolina Hurricanes, number 122 of 249, Patrick Brown. Rookie autograph. Carolina is Terry Sawchuk. And last but not least, going out to, which team is that? Claude Lemieux, 13 of 35, signature renditions. Oh, New Jersey. There you go, PC Nelly. Not a Lemieux, but you got a hit. 13 of 35, signature renditions for the New Jersey Devils, Claude Lemieux. I thought it would be Avalanche. I honestly thought it would be Avalanche. That was a good 10, guys. Good 10. Pasternak. That Pominville 3 patch was good. Limited logo Barkov and the signature renditions. Not bad at all. And that's it for the Cup. We have the last of that case. You guys been following what came out of this case. Super awesome case. And we got one more left in that, which will be in group break 1100. We'll probably do this again with another case of the Cup and another case of Ultimate. Maybe starting next week. We'll see how it goes. If there's interest, we'll do it. So, no randoms to do in this one. We got the bonuses to do. We will get a few minutes to set up the bonuses, and we'll run the bonuses on a separate video. Thanks everyone for joining us tonight and all these breaks, and we'll see you on Sunday. You want to spot in Group Break 1100? It's on our website. Play instant, get 5% off. We'll see you on Sunday. Thank you.